In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Mobirise from your HTML in the Mobirise app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the setting that controls Mobirise branding in your exported code, and how to make sure it's turned off. This is especially helpful if you want clean, white label HTML for client work or a personal portfolio. Start by logging into Mobirise. Open the Mobirise application and sign into your account so the app can load your projects and your active subscriptions. Being signed in is important because this setting is tied to your account status. Once you're in, look for the main menu. You'll typically find it as a small hamburger icon near the top corner of the app. Click that to reveal the core navigation options. From there, choose Account. This takes you into the account area where general settings and subscription-dependent options live. Inside the account area, click on App Settings. This is where you can configure how Mobirise behaves across all of your projects. Take a moment to scroll through the options so you get familiar with what's available. You're looking for a specific toggle labeled Remove Mobirise from HTML. Now make sure that option is checked. When enabled, Mobirise stops inserting its name in the generated HTML, giving you cleaner code. Note that this option appears with an active code editor subscription. If you don't see it, that usually means the code editor feature isn't active on the account you're currently signed into. Once the subscription is active on the same account, the toggle will appear automatically in App Settings. After you check the box, the change takes effect for your environment and will apply to your HTML output going forward. You don't need to do anything else here. The setting saves within the app. If you later decide you want to include the branding again, you can come back to this same place and uncheck it. To recap the path, log in, open the menu, select Account, go into App Settings, and ensure the Remove Mobirise from HTML option is on. That's all there is to it. This small adjustment keeps your exported code focused on your content and your brand, which is often essential for client-facing work and professional presentations. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, follow along for more straightforward, practical tips that help you work smarter in Mobirise and beyond.